Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening for you guys. For the first, introduce myself. My name is Syasha Bila Hasibuan. I'm from PBI next semester 6 at Potensi Utama University. And in here, I wanna do presentation or little bit explain for you about our material, that is communication system. The first, I want to explain for you the meaning of communication system. What is communication system? The communication system is a system model. The first, I want to explain for you guys what the meaning of the communication system. Communication system is a system model that describes a communication exchange between two stations, transmitter and receiver. Signal or information passes from source to destination through a channel. It represents a way in which the signal uses it to move from a source toward its destination to transmit signal in a communication system. It should first be processed by beginning from signal representation to signal shaping until encoding and modulation. After the transmitted signal is prepared, it is passed to the transmission line of the channel. Due to signal crossing this media, it is faced with many impediments like noise, attenuation, and distortion. That is a meaning of communication system. The next, I want to explain for you guys the types of communication system. In here, we have two base. The first based on physical infrastructure, and the second base from signal specification. Okay, the first I wanna explain about based on physical infrastructure. Sorry, guys. So there are two types of communication system. The first, line communication system, uses the existing infrastructure of power lines to transfer data from one point to another point. So the line communication system, I mean, like transfer data to one point for another point. The next, about radio communication system. So this type uses the infrastructure of radio waves to transfer to the information from one point to another point. Say a little bit similar. And the next types, that is about signal specification, that are used to decide the type of communication system. So, nature of the baseband or information signal. Baseband signal is a technology which can access the signals with very low frequency and also near zero frequency. And based on the nature of the transmitted signal, the baseband signal can either be transmitted as it is without modulation or through a carrier signal with modulation. And next, guys, I wanna explain for you communication system are divided to. This is have a 4 step more. The first about analog communication, the second about digital communication system, and the third about baseband communication system, and the last carrier communication system. The first I want to explain about analog communication system. So the analog communication system conveys the information from the audio, video, and pictures between 2 points using the analog signal, a sinusoidal A sinusoidal signal is an example of an analog communication system. The next about digital communication system. Digital communication has become very important in the age of the internet. It is a physical exchange of information between two points directly. The information exchange happens through digital signals. The next about baseband communication system. Baseband communication is the transfer of signal that are not amplified to higher frequencies. They help in transferring signal with near zero frequency. And last about carrier communication system. Carrier communication system transfer the information, especially voice message and call, by improving the frequency much higher than the actual rate. So that is communication system are divided to. And the last material our material today, I wanna giving you about terms used in communication system. So many terms, and the first terms about signal, the next communication channel, and then transducer, receiver, attenuation, amplitude, amplification, bandwidth, modulation, demulation, repeater, and the last noise. So guys, that is my presentation today. I am already tell you and explain for you about what is communication system, term and base of communication system. I hope you can I hope you can enjoy with my video presentation, and so sorry for the mistake, and see you next time. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.